In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recreate this text swipe or reveal by an object effect using TechSmith CAMTASIA. Coming up next on my virtual workroom. Hey guys, Glenda here. So today we're going to recreate this effect where your text is wiped away by an object in your video like this one. When the camera pans to the left, the text is wiped out by this vertical window frame when it goes across the screen. Since we don't have any masking in CAMTASIA, we are going to do a workaround to achieve the same effect. So we will be using text box, custom animation, keyframes, and the crop tool. The first thing that we're going to do is import our video clip to CAMTASIA. Now let's add the video in the timeline and then drag the playhead to where exactly we want the text box to appear. Then add this transparent text box to the timeline on top of the video clip. Let's adjust the position and change the font color to black. Now I'm going to type the time and the airport code. Now let's move the playhead and then stop when the text is almost touching the window frame. Let's add the custom animation to the text box right here, then click the crop tool. Move the border to the right until a part of the text box is removed or wiped away. Then we move to the next frame by clicking this little button over here. Add the custom animation and then drag the border again to make this part of the text box disappear. So basically, you just need to repeat the process until all text disappear. You can also use the shortcut keys to move things a little quicker. For example, if you want to move to the next frame, just click period on your keyboard. If you want to add custom animation, click Shift A. So here I am using the shortcut keys to select the next frame and add custom animation. If you reach to the final stage where the text are fully disappeared, you don't have to do anything else. Now let's hit play and see how it looks. So that's how you wiped away your text with an object using CAMTASIA. Now if you want to reveal the text rather than wipe away, like this video, you can do that using the same process. The only difference is your starting point. Here, I'll show you. We add the text box on the top of the video clip. Let's type a new day as the title and make sure that it's positioned at the center of the canvas. Let's move the playhead where the text is supposed to appear. Click the crop tool and move the border to the right until the text disappears. This is your starting point. Add custom animation to the text box and drag the border just a little bit to the left. Then on your keyboard, press period once to go to the next frame and twice if you need a couple of keyframes. Then drag the border to the left to show a little bit of text. Repeat the process until all the text are shown. Now let's see how it goes. So that's it. That's how you recreate the text swipe or reveal by an object effect in CAMTASIA. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.